Welcome to Montenegro, a small country of wild beauty in the Balkans, on the coast of the Adriatic Sea, with 22 municipalities on the territory of approximately 14,000 square kilometers. The capital of Montenegro is Podgorica, with nearly 300,000 citizens, but the main history of Montenegro is located in Cetinje. And the sea. There are also rivers, canyons, lakes, bay, sandy beaches, which bring many lovers from all over the world in contact with untouched nature. It is a land of many potentials, especially in tourism. People here are friendly. Montenegro has renewed its independence in 2006. Today is a member of the United Nations, the Organization for Security and Cooperation in Europe, the Council of Europe, and NATO. It is also a candidate for membership in the European Union. Because of this, our friends from France and Madagascar and other countries chose Montenegro for the place to visit in July 2018. And then Montenegro has discovered them more secrets. Montenegro was the host of a religious summer camp for boys between 15 and 20 years. They have visited the land from north to south. They've had the opportunity to learn about the history, culture and tradition of the country, to see the natural beauty, historical monuments, religious institutions, and above all, to meet wonderful people. Let's go to Rožaje, to the east side of Montenegro. This city is mostly inhabited by Bosniaks, according to the 2003 census, and in the last years there was an increase in the number of inhabitants. A day in Rožaje young people spent in sports activities. It was a chance to get together, to get to know each other better. They played football, because in those days everything was about the World Cup, on which guests from France are very proud of, with reason. Here is how they experienced time in Montenegro, friendships, activities, and the whole idea of religious sports camp. What brings you here to Montenegro?
Maybe because I want to discover new things, and I've never been Montenegro, and I was curious about it, and how to say, because I'm with my friend, my little brother, and then so it's more funniest to discover with my friend and etc., to do it myself.
Do you do any sport?
No, maybe some gym, but I don't do. Maybe sometime I play football with my friend or etc., but not like every day or something like that.
What is in common with all of your friends here?
We are maybe from the same origins, like we are all half Pakistani, Indian, like that. Yes, and yes, that they're all my friends.
So I think it's an experience to have because I already did one 2 years ago, and I thought it was just fun with friends, but it was mostly lessons for your own life. Like you learn things to improve your behavior outside and the way you are inside. So I think it's a good experience.
What did you learn from your friends from this travel from Montenegro? What's the new knowledge you have right now?
I don't know how to say it exactly, but it's mostly about interior, like peace of mind, I think. In France, I'm not like that. Like I'm just not really, I'm just always excited or paranoid and all. But here I'm like, this is a good way to live. So that's the way I think it is.
Islamic course, and we go to trips all together for discover of the mountain, the lake, etc., etc.
What did you know about Montenegro before you came here?
I just know it's from the ex-Yugoslavia, and it's all.
Right now, what do you know?
It's a beautiful country. No many urbanized it's not like a big town like in France. We have Paris, and it's a good healthy life. You know, you have fresh and tree, woods, forest, and etc. etc. It's good.
What is the most beautiful place or the best place that you have visited here in Montenegro until now?
I really liked Podgorica. It was really amazing.
The capital of Montenegro?
Yeah, it was really amazing. And where we're living here, Rosaj, I think it's Rojaje. It's really beautiful. It's a small village, but it's really cool and welcoming. So I really like that.
Okay, how you will spend your days here with friends?
Yeah, mostly with friends, and all of these are my brothers. So I really like being with them, and yeah, it's cool. I like that.
So every year we try to organize a summer camp for the youth from France, Réunion Island, Madagascar, and all those French-speaking countries in different parts of the world. For example, Madagascar, France, and this year we choose the Balkans and especially Montenegro.
Why Montenegro?
Because people are very friendly, and we had a good contact, good touch with the people of the minister and like that. And also, yes, it's a Muslim country. There is lots of Muslim there, and it's easy here to mix with the people, and yeah, very friendly people here. And it's our first time in the Balkans, and we are very, very happy. The landscape is very beautiful. Yes.
And what is the main point of this travel?
The main point is first our young travels, because the traveling forms the mind, and it's a holiday. So instead of being in their own city, they can travel, discover new parts of the world. And also we give them some lessons about life, about how to be in a community, and how to be with other people. We want also to discover Podgorica and around Podgorica, like the Skadar Lake. And then after that we want to go to the south to see the seaside. And inshallah it will be a good trip, and they will have a good souvenir of this trip.
Now it's time for real party, paintball. This game was especially pleasing to young people. In the right equipment, on the real ground, they played paintball. It was a real competition. They proclaimed winners and losers. But in this game, they are all winners.
I'm from La Réunion Island. It's a department of France. So it's next to Madagascar and South Africa. It's a little island there. Here we are in the map, in the red here. And we are here in Montenegro today.
What can you tell us about your country
Well,
and your place?
There in La Réunion, there is a lot of beaches, mountains. So it's like
Like in Montenegro?
Yeah, it's like in Montenegro, yeah. But here it's like a little bit different because the mountains are like a black color. It's a little bit different. And here there is snow in winter, what she said. And in La Réunion it's all the summer, all the winter, it's always hot, you know. It's like all natural, it's in progress, the city is like en route to develop. So it's really nice. Like I love it. It's really natural.
And what's your name and how old are you?
My name is Zishan and I'm 21 years old.
Thank you. Can you tell us your impressions about this game, paintball?
My impression is very difficult because to shoot everyone is very strong for this game. For shoot, this is very difficult. Look at this. And
Are you having fun here?
what?
Are you having fun here?
Yes, it's fun. It's fun for play with friends because this is a joke. Every joke with friend. He's here. Play, shoot, and he like.
Is this your first time to play paintball?
No, my second. I play first one paintball in 10 years. And
This was different.
yes, this is different because beginner it's I'm little and I'm
Old now.
yes all now. Everyone is biggest and I like.
Okay, enjoy your time here in Montenegro.
Thank you.
It was a time to visit the mosque that keeps memory of the tragically injured Almir Music. That's how we finished our visit in Rožaje. But they also visited Plav and Gusinje, two cities in the north side of Montenegro. After that, we will meet each other in the capital of Montenegrin tourism. This is Budva, a city on the Adriatic Sea in Montenegro. The city has about 18,000 citizens. The area around the city, along the coast, is also known as the Riviera. This center of Montenegrin tourism is known for its sandy beaches and nightlife. Significant tourist facilities are located within the walls of the... I visited north side, now you're on our coast. Your impressions?
I like it, but we can see a contrast between two other. I like it.
What is the most beautiful in Montenegro?
I prefer the beach because I like sun places, but
Doors, windows, balconies and many other things are Romanian style of the Venetian Republic. This is the first coastal city that those young people have visited on this summer camp. They enjoyed walking in the old town and they learn a lot. In this place is a famous festival, the City Theatre. From here, they enjoyed the view of the sea. There is an old citadel that offers beautiful views. a small museum and a library full of rare tomes and maps.
Zishan, how do you like Montenegro and Hawaii?
Hello, it's amazing. We're in a little place, it's the Montenegro and Hawaii, and the place is amazing. We're in old town here, and it's really amazing. I've never seen this in my life.
Really?
Yeah, well, I saw it in France, in Monaco and all that, but this is really cool for this country. I love it.
What do you like it most?
Well, the city is all around the sea, and there is so many beaches, and the sea is amazing. The yacht.
Nothing.
Nothing. First, in my mind, I was thinking that Montenegro was in Italy, just in Italy, and I didn't know anything. But
Now?
now I know where it is. The
People, seaside, coast.
the paysage. I don't know. Yeah. Okay. And the
Old town.
old town. Yeah. And all these the people. They're really kind.
Amazing. The food is really good. €2. Where I live in Reunion Island, it's almost 10 to 12 euros. So here it's really cheap for us. And yeah, I like Montenegro. I really like it.
Kako je vama sa ovim mladim ljudima iz
How you feel with those young people from Paris and other parts of the world? What kind of energy they bring to you?
Mlađi, interesantno je. Budva je postala internacionalni grad, ima ljudi iz Madagaskara.
I feel very young, at least 20 years younger. It is interesting. Budva becomes an international city. There are people from Madagascar, from France, from all over the world, and I like this place. We are here to help them to enjoy their time here.
Okupe mladi ljudi iz različitih krajeva svijeta. Šta je to što ih
How did you come to the idea of connecting those young people?
I kako su se oni povezali na ovom putovanju?
Ja volim da zemaljska kugla bude nešto malo.
I really want to make this world a small place. I love people from all over the world. They expressed their wish to see Montenegro. Their fathers had been there last year, in this place, but this church has not been restored. Today is coming out differently. They have been there for 3 weeks through Montenegro.
I oni su izrazili želju, tu su one 3 nedelje po cijeloj Crnoj Gori.
I obišli ste
You visited Rožaje, Central region, Podgorica.
Šta je neka glavna poruka ovog
What
putovanja?
is the main point of this trip? To bring people closer together, to share love. And how you say when you're arrogant? To be a... Let's continue our journey. We pass along the Budva's marina. We enjoy the view of the sea, mountains, small fishermen's restaurants. But the plan is to take another road to the other coast, to Bar and Ulcinj, where those young people are waiting for even more exciting moments, new knowledge about Montenegro, historical facts, and good entertainment. And by then they have nice memories of this trip, hoping that they will visit Montenegro again. We hope to see you again.